At this point, I could just turn myself into SpongeBob. My goodness. That just exploded everywhere. Super gold and shimmery and beautiful. Is that gonna look okay? Okay. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Halloween makeup look, but this time we're gonna do something a little more pretty than, not that I haven't done any real gory or gross makeup looks yet, but I wanted to do something pretty for a change. So I'm gonna attempt to do some like golden goddess look and we'll see how that goes. So I started a little bit and then I decided to change directions of what I'm gonna do. So I reversed. That's why I have a big yellow streak on my forehead. First thing I'm doing is taking my Tarte Timeless Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. It fills in your pores super well. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want the paint to sit on my face really well. If I don't cover my pores, then the paint's gonna have a harder time. It's gonna settle in the pores instead of on top of everything, you know what I mean? So this will really help with that. So once that's done, I'm taking my CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics 12 Flash Color Case, and I'm just taking the yellow shade, and I'm gonna cover my entire face. Eventually, I want to do gold, and I could go straight in with the gold, but I'm worried that if I don't have something underneath the gold, then it's just not gonna give as much of an impact. And I didn't want to do white because I feel like that'll be too much. I mean, this color is close enough to gold that the gold should sit on it well enough, I hope. Guess we will find out. And I'm just taking a large flat paintbrush to put all this on. You know, a beauty blender actually might work really well as well, but at this point, I could just turn myself into SpongeBob. My goodness. Okay, so did the full face with the paintbrush. After that was on, it was really blotchy, streaky, everything. So I just took my Real Techniques blending sponge. This is the large one, just covers more surface area. I just took a different one in a smaller size for around the eyes and everything. And that's where we're at now. So now what I want to do is take that same paintbrush and go in with the gold shade here and cover all that up. Now I'm hoping this will make me super gold and shimmery and beautiful. Let's see how this works out. I am worried about doing this now with the paintbrush over top of this because I don't want it to be moved around a whole lot. Oh no, that's working. Yes. So let's just repeat the process. Okay, that was a lot of bouncing around with the beauty blenders and stuff. It stopped being able to like move around. My beauty blenders, they're damp and everything, but it's getting patchy in some spots, so whatever. It still looks fine. I've got the gold effect that I wanted to, so that's good. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my Ace Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade Be Peachy. This might be a little too dark for what I want, but it's gonna have to. All I want is to start sketching out a drip pattern for like a mask type thing. So let's hope I don't mess it up. Okay, I'd say that's pretty much where I want to be at. I'm happy with the looks of that. It is going to need to be deepened up. Should I do that first? Yeah, might as well. So I'm going to just take a pointy, tiny little paintbrush, and then I'm going to use the brown shade that's in here. So I'm just going to go over exactly what I did. I wanted to go in with something lighter first in case I messed up. I wanted it to be easy to cover. So now we're going to go again. Okay, that part is finished. The drips and everything, I had to stop filming because my daughter came in to talk to me. So all it was me tracing the line. Not a big deal. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my COTY AIRSPUN setting powder that just exploded everywhere. Cool. Take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna set it, but I only want to set the upper half. Okay, that's done. I feel like I might have put too much. I feel like it took some of the gold away, but I don't know. I do have this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's in Trophy Wife. So I'm gonna just apply it as a highlighter first in my highlighted areas, just to see what it looks like. I might add it in other areas as well. Oh, boom. Yeah, that. Oh, wow. Maybe I should have just covered my face in this. My gosh. I'm taking it up and around in like the C shape around my eye. I don't know at this point if it gets kind of all over. I'm fine with that. Gosh, that's pretty. I'm gonna keep that close because we'll probably use that again. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera just because eyebrows are pretty simple. I'm just gonna do them normal and then I'll be right back. Okay, brows are done. I used my Kat Von D dark brown pomade, and then I also went in with a little bit of black just to deepen them up. I think this is gonna end up being black as well after I do what I wanna do with it. So the next thing is I'm gonna take that Fenty Beauty highlighter again. I might add some shading and stuff in my eyes, but I'm not sure yet. But for now, I'm just going to take a packing brush. This is a pretty thick one. I usually use it for concealer, and I'm gonna pack this all over my eyelids. Might as well just bring it all the way up to the brow. That's fine. Okay, now that that's done, I want to try to do a little bit of contour. I'm going to take my HOOLA Benefit Bronzer in the shade Light this time. I usually use the regular one, but because I've got gold, I'm gonna do a lighter version. See if this works. I don't really want to take away from the gold itself too much, so I don't want this all over, but I do want some kind of shape. Next thing I'm gonna do is attempt to do some wings for eyeliner. I don't want to do any more eyeshadow. Actually, maybe I do want to do more eyeshadow. I might put a tiny bit of that contour, yeah, in my crease. Again, just to give myself a little more depth. Okay, I just did a quick brush through in the eyelids, not a huge difference, but it did give me a little more depth, as well as underneath the waterline. And then I just brought back that gold onto the lid. I didn't carry it up or anything anymore, just so you could still see the shading that I did. So now I'm gonna attempt to do wings on both sides. I have a hair somewhere. I'm terrible at wings, so especially because I have hooded eyes, but I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm hoping I can make something work. I mean, I'm impressed with myself. Normally, I can't even do this. With hooded eyes, you have to do like a straight in and then drop it down in order to get that wing look. So when you open your eyes, you can see the wing, but when you close it, it's gonna have a different shape to it because you don't want your entire lid covered, because then the whole thing would be black with hooded eyes. I have very hooded eyes, so I have to do it that way. I'm still not used to doing it that way. I mean, not used to doing it anyway. So, you know, this is as best as we're gonna get. I would like to do like some fun graphic type thing, but I just don't know if I can do it, okay? By the way, this is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. It's got a felt tip liquid liner on one end and then a black charcoal one on the other end. I am gonna run this underneath my waterline quick as well. This eyeliner is fantastic. It just works so well, both ends, but the felt tip is what I use most. And it just never disappoints because no matter how much I use it, it doesn't, I don't ever have to stop and put the lid back on or anything. I can just give it a couple shakes and then it just keeps going. I do want this underneath my waterline as well. I would like to smudge it out with another black, like eyeshadow. Oh my God, I can't see this hair, but I can feel it and it's driving me bonkers. I found it. Alright, I'm gonna take it like a chubby little pencil brush and a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this from my Tati beauty palette because this black is just fantastic. I mean, blacks are black, but taking a tiny bit and I'm gonna smudge it out along with that liner. Okay, brought it into the inner corners as well. Basically took it just around that whole thing, so all of that is covered. I'm gonna pause on the upper portion only because I want to do more with my eyes, but I don't know what yet, and I feel like if I get the bottom portion done, I might just be satisfied with this after some lashes, or maybe I will want to do something more graphic or something. I don't know yet, so let's just move on to the bottom portion. What I want to do here is glitter. I just want to be a giant glitter bomb. Upon experimenting, so all I did one test patch here with some Elmer's glue, let it get tacky, and then applied some glitter on top of it, and it's fine. But then over here, I just kind of put the glitter on top of what I already have because it's tacky as it is and it's staying. So I think that's what I'm gonna do just for now. If I need to apply some tackiness, I will. I don't have any actual glitter glue, so that is my issue, but it's gonna be okay. And also the glitter I am using today is not cosmetics glitter, so that is why I'm not putting any around my eye. I can use the Tati beauty palette if I do want glitter up there, but this will be going nowhere near my eyes. This is just from Hobby Lobby. It's extra fine glitter in the shade Gold. That should work. And I'm going to take a Luxie medium angled shading brush. This is the Luxie 207. I'm just gonna dip it into the glitter, and then we're gonna start trying to apply it everywhere underneath this line that we have. Also, if you're looking for a glitter glue, NYX has a really good one. I would prefer to be using that right now, but because, I mean, this isn't gonna stay on long anyways, this is working fine for now, but I would not wear this as a costume without using glitter glue. Okay, I think we got a pretty good glitter base. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Still fun. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go over that brown line with black. So let's do that and not spill our glitter everywhere. Okay, now that it's lined, let me give you a close-up. I did mess up in a few spots. Not a big deal. It's not huge. I'm gonna take some of that gold from my cream palette and add it to my lips now. My lips are super dry, so don't judge me. I can feel some glitter on my lips. Blech. Okay, now I have this pigment powder. It's a gold pigment powder that I forgot that I had, so I'm gonna use it now, and then I'm gonna tap it onto my lips. I feel like if I have a gold lip topper, like lip gloss, it would look really good. I'm liking how everything's looking so far. I have glitter everywhere. So what are we gonna do with the top? I feel like my eyes aren't enough. I'll be right back. Okay, so all I did was just add like a little black stripe on my mouth. It gives me like Egyptian vibes, which not technically where I'm going with this, just a golden goddess. But I do have these, because what I'm afraid of is I like the look how it is right now, but I do feel like it needs more. I'm not very good with doing graphic liner and stuff like that, so I'm afraid if I try, I'm gonna ruin it. So I picked these up at Spirit Halloween. The only problem, it says your skin should be clean and free of oils and makeup. So I don't know if they're gonna stick. What do you think? Is that gonna look okay? I just feel like I might as well go for it, right? Let's go for it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. All right, let's see. Is my head big enough? All right, I'm gonna get it right up as close as I can to my eyebrow. Get my hair out of the way. Get out of there, hair. Hair. Okay, okay. I think it looks cool. Am I gonna be top heavy now? I feel like I won't because the bottom is so glittery. All right, now let's see if I can match my placement. I might need to add some lash glue or something under this spot here because it keeps coming up. Nope. Doesn't help that my eyebrows are two totally different shapes. Cool. These are fun. These are nice. You could do literally any makeup look with them. Let's go for the underneath ones, I guess. I feel like that could have been pulled out that way more. I don't know if I want to move it or not. Did I do it a little bit too close to my lash line? I feel like I did, but dude, this is looking cool. These are so nice to make a makeup look go from like, that's a good makeup look to like, this is really cool. I still feel like my eyes need something. My eyes look super droopy now because of this. Hopefully when I put lashes on, it'll fix that. So I'm just gonna quickly go apply some lashes. I'll be right back. I am back with the final look. I did add some lashes. The other thing I did was add some more black eyeshadow underneath my eye to better connect the jewels with the black. It just wasn't black enough for me. I did try to add like 2 lines right underneath, but I was too shaky, so I didn't do very well with it. I think that's basically it, other than just adding more glitter. Changed my dress, and then I wet down my hair and sprayed it in a couple spots to keep it down, and added some gold paint streaks throughout there. So that is it. I really, really, really like this look. I think this black could be darkened up on the lip again. This is super fun. It's super easy too. Oh, I also added that gold pigment on my eyes as well. You can just use gold eyeshadows. Not a big deal. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? I like it. It's definitely different. It's pretty. This doesn't look as gold anymore. It almost looks peachy. I mean, you can still see the gold tones in it, but I wish I had something to make this more, you know, gold and pow, but I still think it looks really good. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.